Good evening, everyone. I'm Anne Nathalie. I'll be your speaker for tonight. Our Maxicare session will actually start at exactly 6 p.m., so please wait for a while. Hello to all our viewers watching us live, and hello to all my clients watching. For those watching the replay, welcome. So, can you all hear me clearly? Di ba ako choppy or is my line breaking up? All right, can you comment down below in our comment section? Also, your location, ha? So, like, hi, I'm watching from Cebu, for example. Let's see how far this gets, guys, because we also have OFW clients. And if you're watching, hello, good evening, and welcome. Let's see your comments here. Hello. Wow, my family and friends are here. Hello, everyone from Ormoc City. Hello from Cebu. Okay, we also have Hi Kai from Bahrain. What else? Keep your comments here, guys. So we have interaction as well. I'll be reading them. Hello from everyone from Davao City. Okay. Oh, from Cute City. San yun? Hello. Hi, guys. Wow, Cebu represent. Okay. Ito, may from Polomolok, South Cotabato. Hello, Kuya Joven. Hello, Ate Mai. Happy birthday, Blaze. If you're watching. Hello, Michi from Cebu. All right. Hello, everyone. So, yes, we still have time and we're also waiting for more viewers to come in. So, while waiting, I'll be right back at 6 p.m. Okay, guys? So, please stay tuned and watch these videos. I'll be right back.
We're going to blow the candle now. Don't blow it.
Si Mama. Unlimited ang pasensya.
Ako nga pala si Robin. Sherwood Farms.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Sino anak mo dyan?
Ayun. Ako si Marie. Ikinalulugod nga pa ng
Si Mama. Unlimited ang suporta. Baby boy. Si Mama. Unlimited ang alaga.
Ganun ba yung uso ngayon? Tara na. Magsisimba pa tayo.
Si Mama. Unlimited ang pag-unawa.
Kamusta ang results ng bar exam?
Oh.
Ma.
Ikaw talaga? Lagi mo na lang ako niluto.
At higit sa lahat, si Mama. Unlimited ang pagmamahal. Kaya unlimited din ang pasasalamat ko sa kanya. Kasi kahit hindi madali, hindi niya ako pinabayaan. Happy birthday, Ma! Oo. Wait lang. Oh, Ma. Last na. Happy birthday, Ma! Ma. Para sa kanyang unlimited love, it's time to give back with Maxicare Prima Gold.
right, once again, good evening, everyone. I'm Anne Nathalie, your Maxicare Health Corporation agent. Firstly, guys, I want to thank you all for joining me right now. I know you took time out of your busy schedules just to be here, and I'll do everything in my power to make your time worthwhile. All right? So, by the end of this session, guys, you will be able to discover three things. First, how Maxcare can help you during uncertain times like this COVID-19 pandemic. Second, what are the benefits of having a prepaid health card? Third, how a health insurance plan from Maxicare can help you save money and live your best life. Especially, guys, that we will introduce to you our newest healthcare plan, the EReady Advance. So, if you're a breadwinner, or you may have family members you want to insure, or you want to save from hospital bills, then stay tuned and watch till the end. All right? So for now, guys, let me first introduce to you guys who Maxicare is. Let's watch this video.
This is our story of care, and our story begins every single day. It happens anywhere, at any time. It is written with you as our inspiration. And if numbers can convey how much we've shown our care, then probably somehow, somewhere, and to someone, we have made a difference. For we've helped bring countless smiles to the world. We've helped ease a number of pain. We've helped deliver incalculable comfort. And we've helped bring immeasurable hope. There are many stories of care we've helped create in a span of 30 years. From the time it was created by a group of visionary doctors and businessmen to a reliable network of care that it is today, bringing together thousands of highly skilled affiliated healthcare professionals and thousands of dependable partner hospitals and clinics nationwide. But we believe there's still more room to care. That's why we keep on moving forward, for the finest healthcare becomes within reach. Today, we provide expert care anywhere through telemed. We bring care consultation with just one tap. We have a ready 24/7 teleconsult medical specialist to assist you, and a multifunctional card that offers more than just care, so you can care more for those closest to you and the people who helped you reach your dream, and finally make that dream happen. We give care every step of the way. We can't help it, 'cause care is in our very DNA. And we've partnered with the best, because you deserve healthcare at its finest. This is how we serve. And how we serve is who we are. We are Maxicare. Your story is our story. Maxicare. Celebrating 30 years of care.
All right, indeed, guys. Maxicare has been in this industry for more than 30 years, following the mission, of course, of helping people achieve peace of mind through quality healthcare. Because in Maxicare, we care. So before we start our session proper, guys, we want this to be as interactive as possible. So we prepared a Q&A session so that you can get a chance to win our prizes. So may pa-quiz tayo, guys. The mechanics for our Q&A goes like this. We will ask 5 questions throughout the whole session. You just need to type in your answers in the comment section in this format. So the question number first, and then your answer. So number 1, and then your answer. Later on, number 2, and then your answer, and so on. I have our Maxicare officer with me, and they will choose the lucky winners by the end of this session, so that you guys can get a chance to win 100 pesos worth of GCash, a total of 5 winners throughout the whole session. So just by listening to this session, guys, you can learn something and you can win prizes pa from Maxicare. Diba? So let's start. Question number 1. Are you ready? Sige. So the first question is, what do you think is the importance of a health card? Let me repeat the question. What do you think is the importance of a health card? So comment your answers below, guys, ha? Number 1 first, and then your answer. Okay, let's see if there are now comments. Okay. Guys, also like and share this video with your friends so you can qualify to win our prizes, ha? And just stay with us till the end because we still have 4 more questions that you need to answer. The more answers, the more chances of winning. Also, guys, we will announce the winners by the end of the session, all right? By the way, guys, if you have questions, inquiries, or concerns, just comment down below. One of my colleagues from Maxicare will reply to your comments, or we will contact you personally. All right? So keep your questions coming. Answers coming, rather. Okay, now, guys, we will finally start our session proper. Okay, so a lot of times, my friends come and tell me that the reason why they don't have health cards or health insurance coverage is because they think that health insurance is expensive. But by the time an emergency came, mas expensive pala if yung savings nila ang binabayad nila for their hospital bills. My dear friends, we are here to tell you that Maxicare paved the way to make it more accessible to everybody with great coverage and at an affordable price. We call it our Maxicare Prepaid Healthcards. We have EReady, we have Prima, and our newest product, EReady Advance. But you may ask, what is a prepaid health card, Anne, and how does it work? So guys, this is actually the same concept with our prepaid loads. Diba sa Smart or sa Globe, in a prepaid SIM, we can go to the nearest sari-sari store to buy the load, and it's pretty easy. And it's affordable, and the card or plan can only be used one at a time, and it has an expiration date. In the same way, guys, Maxicare Prepaid Health Cards are like that. It's also one-time use, one-time payment only. It has 1-year validity. It's non-transferable. No medical requirements needed to apply. In fact, guys, application can be done in just 10 minutes. May health card ka na. Most importantly, it's really affordable. Now, let's start with our first Maxicare Prepaid Health Card. Maxicare EReady. Let's watch this video.
Pag na-aksidente, sagot ka ng EReady, ang first prepaid emergency health card from Maxicare. Sagot ang sakit ng katawan, sagot din ang sakit sa bulsa. Pag emergency, sagot ka ng Maxicare EReady.
All right. So ano yun, guys? Kapag emergency, EReady. EReady, guys, is the first emergency prepaid health card from Maxicare. It comes with 2 variants. So we have EReady Titanium, the red one, and then EReady Platinum, the blue one. Who can apply? So this is for our members who are 15 days old to 65 years old. Both actually have the same coverage and benefits. Yung difference lang nila guys is the network access or yung tinatawag nating hospital access. So for EReady Titanium, yung red one, it has access to all of our 1,500 hospitals nationwide, excluding lang sa 6 major hospitals. For our EReady Platinum naman, the blue one, it has access to our 6 major hospitals such as Asian Hospital, Cardinal Santos Medical Center, Makati Medical Center, St. Luke's in QC and BGC, as well as Medical City. So if you prefer going to the 6 major hospital, guys, the Platinum plan is best for you. But if you're from Visayas or Mindanao or you're far from the NCR, then the Titanium is best for you. So what are the inclusions? It has up to 15,000 one-time emergency coverage on illnesses or injuries that requires immediate medical assistance. Such emergencies like allergies, especially guys, some allergies result to difficulty in breathing. Another emergency, food poisoning, animal bites, vehicular accidents, heart attacks or convulsions or strokes. Basta guys, if it's life-threatening, go to the nearest affiliated emergency room and use EReady Health Card. The coverage also includes doctor's fee, emergency room fees, medicines while in the ER, x-rays, and laboratory tests needed while in the ER. Okay? And guys, it also has coverage for pre-existing conditions. So if ever the member has diabetes or asthma, heart conditions, basta emergency, EReady na agad. Also, guys, it has additional benefits. It has access to our 24/7 TeleConsult. It has 10% discount on selected Metro dental services. Also, it has a group life up to 50,000. O, di ba guys, with just $699, you can get all those benefits na. Anyone can apply for this. In fact, my clients also use this as their starter plan for themselves and their families. Kasi 'di ba, kahit papano, may health insurance na sila, may life insurance pa sila up to 50,000 for ADD and D. And this is from our life insurance partner, Manulife. Also, guys, this is also perfect for your Christmas gift idea. So, mga inaanak, alams na. So, ano yun ulit, guys? Kapag emergency, EReady. Now, for our next prepaid health card, it's the Maxicare Prima. Let's watch this video.
Si Mama, unlimited ang pagmamahal. Kaya unlimited din ang pasasalamat ko sa kanya. It's time to give back with Maxicare Prima Gold, the affordable prepaid health card for senior citizens.
Hashtag, it's time to give back. Yes, you heard that right, guys. We have a health card for our senior loved ones, 60 years old and up. The usage for this plan, guys, is for outpatient coverage. Outpatient meaning a patient who receives medical treatment without being admitted to a hospital. So our Prima comes with two variants. We have the Prima Gold and Prima Silver. Who can apply? So this is for our Prima Gold, this is for our members that are 60 years old and up. The coverage has unlimited consultations, unlimited laboratory tests, and diagnostic procedures, and this can be availed in our Maxicare primary care centers and My Health clinics nationwide. The additional benefit, guys, is that our Prima Gold has annual emergency coverage that can be used to any Maxicare affiliated hospital. Annual dental benefit is also included, and it can be availed in our Metro dental clinics nationwide. Again, guys, pre-existing illness is covered for this card, and it's already valid for 1 year. Next, we also have our Maxicare Prima Silver. This is for our members that are 0 to 59 years old. This is also best, guys, for pregnant women because we have maternity benefit. So for kids, we also have our pediatrician in our primary care centers. The inclusions for this card is unlimited consultations and unlimited laboratory tests and diagnostic procedures, which can also be availed in our Maxicare primary care centers only. So dun lang. Additional benefit. It has an annual dental benefit, and it is also inclusive for our Metro Dental Clinics. Just note, guys, that the Prima Silver does not have an emergency coverage, guys. So my Prima Silver clients paired it with an EReady. So pwede naman tayo mag-pair ng mga plans. So Prima Silver and then EReady para may outpatient sila and emergency coverage. Guys, this is our goal for our Prima plan holders. We want you to visit your doctors immediately when you feel sick. And we also want you to visit your doctors even when you feel healthy so you can stay healthy. So guys, get yourself checked regularly, all right? And if laboratories are prescribed and if Prima holder ka, pwede unlimited. So where are our primary care centers located? So we have standalone primary care centers. It's located in BGC, Bridgetown ID Park, Clark, Pampanga, and in Cebu, guys, we have our Maxicare PCC. It's across Ayala Terraces. And good news, we just opened 2 more primary care centers this year. So for those living near Quezon City area, it's at Eton Centris, located in Cyberpod, Quezon City. And for those living in Alabang, it's at South Key Hub, North Gate Cyberzone PhilInvest in Alabang. Also, guys, we also have our primary care centers inside our affiliated hospitals like Cardinal Santos, Medical Center, Makati Med, St. Luke's in QC and BGC, just to name a few. You can also take a screenshot, guys, for your reference. Next, we also have an additional clinic access for our Prima Gold members. So for our members that are Prima Gold, you can visit here for your ophthalmologist for your eye checkups kasi covered naman sa plan ninyo. In Cebu, guys, it's in Robinson Cybergate and in Galleria. You can also take a screenshot, guys, for your reference. Okay, so that's for our Prima Prepaid Health Cards. Now, it's time for another Q&A. Are you ready? So, question number 2 na tayo. Question: what prepaid card of Maxicare covers unlimited consultations and laboratories? Again, what prepaid card of Maxicare covers unlimited consultations and laboratories? Again, comment down your answers. Number 2, then your answer. Send your answers, guys, for more chances of winning. Okay, are we seeing comments now? Just make sure number 2 and then your answer. All right, let's move on. So we're very excited, most especially, guys, to announce that we now have the newest plan. It's the Maxicare EReady Advance. Let's watch this video. All right, so kapag advance mag-isip, EReady Advance. This is our best-seller prepaid plan, guys, because we just launched it this mid-year, but most of our clients choose this na. Why? Because it has a 3-in-1 benefit. It has emergency room coverage, it includes regular private room, and it also has consultations in our Maxicare primary care centers. The usage for this card, guys, is for emergency leading to confinement. Our EReady Advance comes with 2 variants. Okay, so we have EReady Advanced Titanium and then EReady Advanced Platinum. Who can apply? This is for our members who are 15 days old to 65 years old. Both have the same coverage and benefits. Yung difference lang nila, guys, again, is also the network access, same kanina. So for Titanium, it has a nationwide access excluding lang sa ating 6 major hospitals. While for our Platinum, including naman yung major hospitals. So it is recommended for you if dun kayo pupunta for an emergency. While for those who are far from the NCR and for those who are in Mindanao and Visayas, Titanium plan is best for you. So what are the inclusions and benefits? Okay, so both plans provide up to 50,000 one-time benefit. The usage for this, again, is for emergency-related cases And basta anything life-threatening situation, guys, EReady Advance. Coverage includes doctor's fees, emergency room fees, medicines during confinement, oxygens, IV fluids, x-rays, diagnostic exams while in the ER. We also have other benefits. It also provides a room and board and accommodation in a regular private room. If prescribed by your doctor to see or to use an ICU, operating room, isolation room, or recovery room, it's also covered, guys, because this is for emergency leading to confinement. Medication during confinement and professional fees is also included, as well as anesthesia, oxygen, and its administration, it's included. Additional benefits. We have free and unlimited consultations in our Maxicare primary care centers. It also has access to Maxicare 24/7 TeleConsult, and we have emergency medical evacuation for members who are more than 150 kilometers from the place of their residence, and with it also has a group life for ADD&D up to 50,000. So imagine, guys, what if you have an EReady advance plan under your name or your family members? How much money do you think you can potentially save when an emergency occurs? Di ba up to 50,000 din? Malaking savings talaga. And if ever nagamit na yung card, guys, due to an emergency, pwede naman mag-renew after 7 days. Guys, really think that now is the perfect time to invest and avail for health cards like this to be ready and protect your savings, especially now that we're in a pandemic. Okay, next. Let's have another Q&A, guys. So guys, please make sure to join because this is our last portion. So we will have 3 questions, okay? Question number 3. Give at least one of the variants from EReady Advance. Again, give at least one of the variants from EReady Advance. So key in your answer, number 3, and then your answer. Let's see some comments. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4, how much ang maximum coverage ni EReady Advance? Again, how much ang maximum coverage ni EReady Advance? So type in your answers, number 4, and then your answer. Can we see some comments? Okay, question number 5, guys, and this is the last question. Why do you think Maxicare is the leading HMO in the country? Question number 5, why do you think Maxicare is the leading HMO in the country? All right, send your answers now. Don't forget how to type the number and then your answers. Okay, guys, please stay till the end because we will announce the winners and baka isa ka na sa mga winners natin. Okay, so that's for our prepaid plans. We made it as affordable and as sulit as possible, guys, because we really want our clients to focus on recovering. We also want to reach out to everyone. That's why it's very easy to apply. So by now, you might be wondering, guys, is there a full HMO plan for me and my family? As most of us know, Maxicare is well known as a company benefit or an HMO benefit from their employers. Here in Maxicare, we actually have a similar complete plan that is perfect for you and your family. We call it our My Maxicare Individual or Family Plans. My Maxicare, guys, is a specialized program created for individuals and families tailored fit for their budget and what is best for you and your family. So just an overview, guys, we have the following inclusions for our My Maxicare plan. We have inpatient benefits. This is your admission or your confinement. Outpatient benefits, so consultations and laboratory tests without the need for being in a hospital. Emergency care coverage, preventive care coverage, so treatment for tetanus and animal bites, it's up to 18,000 per member per year. It also has annual checkup. So this is your basic 5 routine. Optional dental care. We also have additional benefit, which is we have 50,000 life benefit for ADD&D as well, and international service program. So for frequent travelers, this is also recommended. We also have pre-existing illness coverage, On some conditions, it's covered for the first year, it's 10% of the plan, and then the second year onwards, it's up to the maximum benefit limit for certain conditions. All these benefits, guys, can be availed in our Maxicare affiliated clinics and hospitals nationwide. So we have 4 plan types in our My Maxicare. We have Platinum Plus, we have Platinum, Gold, and Silver. They all have the same benefits and inclusions, guys, mentioned from the previous slide. The difference is just the room and board and the maximum benefit limit per illness per year. So what does this mean? So example, if the member chooses a gold plan, so our maximum benefit limit is 100,000, right? For example, the member was hospitalized due to dengue and pneumonia. So there are 2 illnesses, right? This means Maxicare can cover 100K for dengue, another 100K for pneumonia. So the total coverage that Maxicare can cover is 200K for that hospitalization alone. So it's the maximum benefit limit per illness per year. So, diba, it's so sulit, guys. Who can apply for this plan? So for individual, we have 15 days old to 60 years old. But for existing plan holders, you can renew until 65. For our family plan, this is where we can declare our dependents. So pwede spouse and then their kids just below 21 years old. And if single si principal, pwede naman yung parents niya. And good news, guys, kasi since January po, we waived medical requirements na for our My Maxicare application. So it's easier to apply talaga. Okay? Next, since Maxicare is the leading HMO in the country, guys, we are always committed to provide maximum and quality healthcare to our members. This is why we have exclusive clinics for our Maxicare members that's called Maxicare Primary Care Centers. We actually discussed this earlier na. Also, guys, we are very proud to say that Maxicare is the first HMO in the country to offer a specialized program for mental health. So in Cebu, our psychiatrist is available every Saturday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So all right, guys, this is again our locations for primary care centers. Take a screenshot for your reference. Okay, so to know more about our primary care centers, let's watch this video.
What makes a future special? Perhaps it's in what you see. And how we see it. What you hear. And how we listen. And if you seek a future that's worth depending on, we've got you covered in every way. We even added a little cup of comfort. And tasteful little details to show how much you mean to us. We are moving forward. Innovating our touch of care. Making us available at any hour, at any day. So we can be more responsive so we can be more connected. This is how we make the future of healthcare special. By making you experience you are special in every sense. We go beyond care. Experience Maxicare today. Maxicare Primary Care Clinic VGC is open to care for you 24 hours a day, every day. Visit other Maxicare Primary Care Centers at these locations.
All right. So indeed, guys, visit our Maxicare primary care centers now. Kasi cashless naman yung transactions natin. Just present your card and your valid ID. You can get the consultations and lab tests you need. By the way, guys, since we're in quarantine, our primary care centers have limited time na. So for in Cebu, it's open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. daily. Okay? This is just a temporary schedule. So as Maxicare members, guys, whether it's a prepaid plan or a premium plan, we all can avail this additional benefit of 24/7 teleconsult. Here's our main hotline number on your screen. You can take a screenshot as well. And guys, message me after this session because we also have a teleconsult number for each location. Standard charges apply. Okay, so how does our teleconsult work, guys? Let's watch this video.
Mr. Sanchez, where is the report? Sir!
Stress na ako. Pang-apat na ata to. Hinihingan pa ako ng presentation ni boss. Ano po ba dapat kong gawin? Dok!
Okay. Our top priority is to keep you hydrated. Kailangan uminom ka ng maraming tubig. Take oral rehydration salt.
Care is just a call away. With Maxicare's 24/7 teleconsult service, every Maxicare Principal member and their dependent gets free expert medical consultation from reliable Maxicare partner doctors anywhere at any time. Sa Maxicare 24/7 teleconsult service, ang alaga parang nariyan na. Maxicare.
All right. So yes, guys, even if you're at work or you're at home, you don't have to go out na to get a consultation with a physician. Just call our teleconsult hotline and you can speak to our accredited physicians na, especially we're on quarantine, okay? So for those who are with me from the beginning of this live session, thank you so much, guys. It's really a pleasure meeting you all. Ang dami natin. Thank you so much. So for those who are watching the replay, thank you for joining me in this session as well. I hope you learned something today. Message me after this session, guys. Here are my contact details. You can also take a screenshot. I'm also making more content like this. So make sure to follow my social media accounts. It's at Annefluencer. Okay? It's at Annefluencer. In my Facebook page, I also discuss, guys, about COVID-19 coverage from Maxicare. Yes, Maxicare can cover COVID-19 related cases, guys, but you need to take note, we have guidelines and qualifications for this coverage. We couldn't cover it in this session, I'm sorry, because we have limited time, but make sure to check it in my Facebook page. It's at Annefluencer, okay? Annefluencer. Say it with me, Annefluencer. Okay, lastly, guys, one thing I really want you to take away from this session is that remember, a month too early is better than a day too late. Why do we say it's too late? All of our plans kasi has an activation period. Some plans get activated after 7 days, others 15 days. So let's say nag-register na si member today for an EReady advanced plan kasi ang dami niyang natutunan sa session na to, di ba? And then, unfortunately, an emergency occurred the next day kasi di natin talaga alam. Di talaga makakover ni Maxicare yan kasi after 7 days pa yung activation period ni EReady Advance. So next week pa talaga maging effective. So guys, the best time pala to get an health insurance was last week. Pero the next best time is today. So message me after this session na para always ready. So let me end with a story. I have a very wise couple na clients. They wanted to get a family plan. But since in 3 months pa kasi yung wedding, they got the prepaid plan first, yung EReady Titanium, yung 699. They wanted kasi to make sure that their wedding fund will not go to hospital bills if ever an emergency occurs. Now that they are married, they are now family plan holders of Maxicare. And they're here in this session as well. So, hi guys. So, my question for you guys, who is in your mind right now? Is it your parents? Is it your kids? Is it your life partner? Do you have a lifestyle you want to change by consulting a doctor? Do you have savings din na ayaw mo mapunta to hospital bills like your retirement fund or your wedding fund or college fund or even your dream house fund? So let's protect those savings, guys, and get your regular checkups even through our Maxicare TeleConsult. Okay? So did you learn something? Can you comment yes below if you did? Let's see nga if they're still here. All right. Okay, so now the time we all have been waiting for. We will now announce our winners. Are you excited? So can you also comment below? Is it me? Sige. I will announce the winners. Let me just copy their names. Okay, so our winners. Wala tong mga like sorting. So random to. Okay? There you go. So the first winner, it starts with letter R. I'm sorry if I mispronounce your name, but it's Rainlyn Nicole Platon. Yay! Congratulations. Our next winner, kilala ko to. It's Kuya Dijong Abuan. Grabe, ang dami niyang comments. Thank you, Kuya. Next, our next winner, it's Mel Abad Cabanalan. Congratulations. And the father of our birthday boy, it's Mac Archer Embrilata. Congratulations. Our last winner, last but not least, it's Ben's Joey Menoras Fortuna. Okay, congratulations, guys. There you go. We will also comment your names here so that you can contact us and we'll get your details so we can give you your prize. So thank you so much for participating in our game. Once again, congratulations to our winners, and thank you everyone for joining me tonight. To all my friends and family for coming over, thank you so much. To all my clients who are tuning in right now, thank you so much. I really appreciate that you're here. Sana na-refresh kayo sa mga current plans nyo. And of course, thank you as well to my Maxicare team for putting this live session together. They're setting this stuff at the background. So thank you guys. It's really an honor to be here. Also, special shout out to my baby nephew. Happy second birthday, Blaze. Once again, this is Anne Nathalie Vicara, your friendly agent of Maxicare Healthcare Corporation. I'm looking forward to work with you guys and your family soon. Keep safe, everyone. Take care. Thank you. Thank you for coming. And watch the replay.
Pag biglang nagkasakit, sagot ka ng EReady, ang first prepaid emergency health card from Maxicare. Sagot ang anumang sakit, sagot din ang sakit sa bulsa. Pag emergency, sagot ka ng Maxicare EReady.
Kanina pa masama yung pakiramdam ko. Obo. Sipon. Masakit ang ulo. Nilagnat na rin yata ako. Sa tingin ko, hindi ko na kaya pumunta sa ospital. Dok, anong gagawin ko?
First of all, you really need to rest. Kailan nagsimula ang pananakit ng ulo at pag-ubo mo?
Kahapon pa po ng umaga, Dok.
Na-check mo na ba temperature mo?
Care is just a call away. With Maxicare's 24/7 TeleConsult service, every Maxicare Principal member and their dependent gets free expert medical consultation from reliable Maxicare partner doctors anywhere at any time. Sa Maxicare 24/7 TeleConsult service, ang alaga parang nariyan lang. Maxicare.